I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use notification summary and instant alerts on your iPhone. So iOS lets you choose how you want to see notifications on your lock screen. To really get a grasp of this, let's take a look at our settings app. Then we're going to scroll down to notifications. Now in our notifications center, we'll see display as on the top here. And our three options are count, stack, and list. Now count is going to count the notifications that you come in and kind of condense them. Stack is going to stack them all on top of each other. And then you can kind of open up those stacks if you tap on each stack of notifications. And then list is going to show you a comprehensive list one by one of each notification that you have, one after another in the order that they were received. Now you can also choose to use scheduled summary. If we tap scheduled summary here and turn this on, now this will help you with less important apps. You'll get those alerts at set times instead of instantly. You can make sure that your non-urgent notifications come in at a separate set time so that they don't come in so urgently and disrupt you from more urgent notifications or things that you're doing. So to set this up, we'll just click continue. You can then choose the apps that you want to specifically put into this category. I'll just put OfferUp in there for now. And then you can set a schedule for the specific times that it will come in. Let's say you wanted to do every 2 hours starting at 10 a.m. at the earliest, or even just 9 a.m. Then we'll set the next one at 11 a.m. and so on and so forth. This seems a little bit overkill. So we'll put 9, 1, 5, and 9 again. Now we'll turn on notification summary and we'll get summaries for each particular time that we put on this app list. And now you should be all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.